Good morning, everyone. We're starting the vlog in the car. Well, not starting it. I started it earlier, but I'm starting the talking portion in the car because I just left my hair salon. I got my bangs cut again. I was kind of debating on whether if I wanted to get my bangs done again or if I wanted to let them grow out and not have bangs anymore and like just have a middle part again. But then I was just like, I just kept thinking about it, and now that I realize that I can do both, I can blow my bangs this way if I want to have bangs, or once they grow out just a tiny bit, I can blow them in the middle and like have curtain bangs and have like the best of both worlds. They're a little too short. I wish they weren't this short, but it'll be okay. They'll grow out pretty quickly. But it's raining like crazy over here today, and I like a good rainy day, to be honest, but like, I don't know, it's a weekend and I kind of wanted it to be a nice sunny day, but it's not. I think I need to go to Target and do a return. I swear I go to Target at least once a week. It's pretty insane. I'll check back in whenever I get home. We're eating now, and I got these like tacos. I don't know what kind of tacos they are, but they look so good. And some fries. I've got cheese sticks. I think they're like, they're brisket tacos. That's right. They're so good.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are
We are back home now. We went to Target to do a return, and I didn't vlog anything in Target because I go to Target literally every week, and you guys have seen Target like so many times, it's not even funny. So I think we're just gonna hang out and chill for the rest of the day. I thought maybe I would get my car like washed and cleaned and stuff because I tried to do that last week, didn't work out, and then the week when I tried to do it the first time I got into a wreck. So I was just thinking, well, maybe I'll just try to go get it washed and like nice and like detailed and put some like wax on the outside or something. But I kind of want to, but then again I kind of don't want to because, you know, it's like a rainy day and I just kind of wanted to enjoy the rainy time. I don't know. Right now I'm just watching some YouTube, and there's this guy that's out in the front right here, and I don't really understand what he's doing. He's being kind of weird. He's talking to somebody. Oh, okay. He's gone now. He stopped. I gotta tell you about my shoulder, my neck situation. Last Monday was Halloween, right? So last Monday night, Tuesday morning, I woke up with this horrible back and shoulder pain. Not back pain, it's like shoulder and neck pain. And then it just kind of got progressively worse throughout the day. And it is now Saturday. I've had this for a week, and today is the first day that it has not come back. It was horrible like last week. It hurt so bad. I could not move my neck that well, and I don't know what I did. I don't remember pulling anything. I don't know if it's like a pinched nerve or if it's, I mean, of course Google is telling me it could be a tumor. And my anxiety-filled brain is like, oh shit, now I have a tumor. I don't know. It has gotten better. I had to use Biofreeze and Bengay, and I even got these like patches, like pain patches as well, and I had to take ibuprofen just to be able to work properly because I couldn't work that great because everything just hurt so bad. So it's finally better. Last night I was able to sleep enough and like sleep as good as I have been for a couple of days. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna hang out and chill for right now, and I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. Bye. Okay, we're back home now, and we've actually done a few things. I took a shower, I changed, I went to eat dinner. We got Taco Bell, or I got Taco Bell. Raph still isn't hungry. Are you still hungry yet?
Not really.
Oh my gosh. You saw our lunch, but then now we're playing this board game called Puerto Rico. We played Doomlings beforehand. I love this game. It's so cute. So yeah, we're just having a little couples board game night. And you having a good time?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's really fun. I'm enjoying it a lot. Winston. Thank you. Winston keeps trying to get laid. Good morning, everyone. It is now Sunday. I have started the Sunday portion of this vlog out. I forgot to actually film anything at home, but we're now eating lunch. We got lemon drops and they're so good, but I will show you our food whenever we get it. I was too busy this morning. I filmed a video and then I was filming a Reels also for Instagram, and I edited the Reels video, got it posted, and I edited the YouTube video before, like I was editing it all the way until my mom came to get us to come eat. So I didn't film anything at home, but anyways, I will show you the food whenever we get it. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. I got nigiri here, and it's just gonna be amazing. It's gonna be so good. We're at Redlands, like J. Alexander's Redlands. It's gonna be so good. All right, we got our food, you guys. This sushi looks insane. Mom got, this looks like steak, but it's tuna.
It's tuna
mashed
steak,
potatoes, and then what is those?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Raph got a steak with fries and honey mustard. Oh my goodness. We got the carrot cake now. This place is like famous for their carrot cake, so I'm very excited about it.
They are famous for their carrot cake. That is absolutely.
Yeah. We're in Sam's Club now because Mom needed to come in here and get a couple of things, and now we're looking at socks. Dad wanted gold toed socks. There's the gray toed ones. Good morning, everyone. It is now Monday. Sorry if you can hear my dishwasher in the background, but I wanted just to show you this. Went to Best Buy. Okay, so I filmed a video yesterday, like a main video, and I was doing a gift guide for men. And one of the items in my gift guide, I went ahead and bought for Raph. It was on sale at Best Buy. So I went to go pick it up yesterday, and then I came home and Raph went with me. So he knew what we were going for, but he didn't want to know. So I asked them to put it in like 2 big bags so that he couldn't see through the bag. And like he barely would look at me while we were still in Best Buy, but I didn't vlog in Best Buy because I was just trying to like make sure he didn't see what it was. But I came home and wrapped it. Here's my really badly done wrapping. I think it's really cute though. I think he's really gonna like it. I kind of want him to go ahead and open it. I don't know why. I just kind of want him to open it. I love gift giving. So either he'll open it today or he might wait until Christmas. I don't know yet. But I do have a few other things that I'm gonna get him throughout the month and stuff. Probably at the end of the month, I'll start ordering some other things. All right, so this is your first Christmas present. It's gonna be a little early, but
Wow.
I went to go pick it up yesterday. I'm very excited.
I wonder what it is.
Do you have any idea?
I have no idea whatsoever, but it looks very nice.
Like, if you had to guess. No idea.
No idea. A box.
A box with what?
I honestly have no idea. Shall I?
If you want to.
It's really well wrapped.
Oh, thanks.
Okay.
I hope you like it.
See. Screen.
It's green.
Xbox related. Because the screen. Is it? And what is? What? Oh wow! New headset. Look at that. Oh wow, that's not. I'm actually happy that I opened it now then, because I've been.
That's why I kept pushing a little bit. I was like, well.
Yeah. That's very nice. Look at that.
Turn it around to look at the front.
Wow, look. It's got this. Oh, that's very nice. Look at that. Thank you. Very nice. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, because yours weren't broken.
Yeah, it's adorable. Thank you.
Okay.